In today's video, we are going to cover how to record a deposit or retainer in FreshBooks. Start by signing in to your FreshBooks account. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Invoices. This takes you to the area where you can create a new invoice or manage one that is already in progress. From here, decide whether you want to begin with a new invoice or use an existing draft invoice. If the project has not been added yet, create a new invoice. If you already started one and saved it as a draft, open that draft so you can continue from where you left off. Either option works as long as you are in the invoice editor. Next, add the products or services for the project. This is the part of the invoice that shows what the client is being billed for. Enter the items you need so the invoice total reflects the work, service, or deliverable connected to the deposit or retainer request. Make sure the invoice content is complete before moving to the deposit section, since the amount you request may depend on the final total. Once the invoice details are in place, look within the invoice for the Request a Deposit option and click it. FreshBooks will then prompt you to choose how the deposit should be requested. You can request either a fixed amount or a percentage of the invoice total. If you already know the exact deposit amount you want to collect, choose the fixed amount option. If the deposit should scale based on the size of the invoice, choose the percentage option instead. After selecting the method, enter the deposit amount or the percentage you want FreshBooks to apply. Be careful to enter the value in the correct format so the requested deposit appears as intended. After that, review the invoice. Check that the deposit is displayed correctly and that it matches what you want the client to pay upfront. This is the moment to confirm both the invoice total and the requested deposit, especially if you are using a percentage and want to be sure the calculation is reflected properly. When everything looks correct, click Save if you want to keep the invoice for later, or click Send to if you are ready to send it to your client. Sending the invoice with the deposit request included allows the client to see both the amount due now and the remaining balance that will still be owed later. Once the client pays the deposit, FreshBooks automatically records that payment against the invoice. It also updates the remaining balance due, so the invoice reflects what has been paid and what is still outstanding without any extra manual entry on your part. Your FreshBooks invoice now includes a recorded deposit or retainer and an updated remaining balance.